And that's why though, like if you do decide you want to carry on and do youth work, you'll be such a good youth worker because you can empathise with people who've been through grief or just been through similar really hard times.
Yeah. And I feel like that's what I kind of want to do youth work, because like my thing, if I can help someone else that's going through the pain that I'm going through, that's it, like that's my job done.
I would definitely recommend youth mentoring to other young people, due to it could make a really big difference with other people, because it made a big difference with me. Well, because obviously they always kept me happy while I was through my down times, and always there to support me and keep a smile on my face no matter what.
Hi, I'm Tom, and I've been using Cardiff Youth Service for around about 5 years now. I started going to grassroots when I was going on 14 years old, and I started at the Aspie group because I have autism, and I was very socially awkward, socially isolated as well. I didn't really have much of a life in basic terms, so I slowly started to come out of my shell once I started at that group. I remember my mum being in utter disbelief that I was laughing and talking, and just having general fun with people who I'd never met in my life before. And everything really kind of stemmed from there, because since I began to gain my confidence, I become a radio presenter. I've attempted a world record and raised money for lots of different charities to help people who need it most. And recently I joined the Young Creators group at Cardiff Youth Service as well. And to go with the job that I would really like to do in the future, that's being a journalist, I have had to learn a lot of new skills, which includes editing my content, like video editing for instance. That's something I never knew how to do properly before the Young Creators told me how to do it. The same kind of goes for audio editing as well. I've recorded podcasts, I've written blogs, learned how to make professional looking posters on Canva, and promoting my own work. So Cardiff Youth Service has really aided my growth, and it's not just something that I do for fun, which is perfectly fine if you do, but I genuinely get something out of it, and that's why I turn up to the sessions every time.
I like how she's just very genuine about everything that she says, and I like how she's very calming about like everything, and she's just understanding. She's helped me with my anxiety and like my suicidal thoughts and everything like that, and she's helped me get through so much this past year, because she's just an amazing person that I can go to or text if I ever need anything to help with like my anxiety.
He's like fun and he helps a lot, and it's not like pressure to do anything that I don't want to do.
My favourite part about working with a youth mentor is playing basketball on a weekly basis. My behaviour has improved. If it wasn't for my youth mentor, I would not be here right now, and I'll be sat on my own doing nothing.
So we do like cooking and like just like talking, which is good, because obviously it takes me a lot to like open up. And with you, like I just felt like it was so easy to like open up, and I was quite shy, and I didn't want to talk, and I was just like, didn't know what I was doing. And now I feel like if I got a problem, like I can just come and like it's like no trouble. It was so good, because it felt like obviously you've got your teachers, you've got your family, you've got your friends, but it's like that some other person that's not what's what, like, do you get me? Like it's just like a friend like that you can go to. And now obviously my younger brother goes there. So it is really nice.
Hi, my name is Lewis. I work for Cardiff Media Youth Forum. I joined so I could learn better skills and better develop myself and learn to mostly work in a team. I very much look forward to working, doing different projects with everyone in the team, and I very much look forward to the many adventures and challenges we are going to face together.